Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll explain how to unlock Snapchat My AI Premium features. If you've seen videos claiming there's a secret trick to unlock every premium My AI features for free, then here's the truth. You cannot legitimately bypass Snapchat's paid features or subscription restriction. The features available to you depend on your Snapchat account, location, app version, and the current Snapchat Plus offering. So, to check what's available, you need to open Snapchat and tap your profile icon and look for Snapchat Plus, then review the features included with the current subscription, and if you're eligible for an official trial or promotion, you'll see it during the subscription process. Then make sure your Snapchat app is updated so you're using the latest available features. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.